Good morning, everyone. It is time for sight reading, our favorite part of the day. If you could please step down closer to the screen, sopranos on this side and altos on this side, kind of get in your little pods. We'll get started. If you need a paper copy of the sight reading, it is here on the piano. Okay. First thing we need to do when we see a sight reading, we need to look at our key signature and our time signature. First off, our time signature shows that we are in 4/4 today. That means we're going to have 4 beats in each measure, and our quarter note is our beat note. The second thing we need to look at is our key signature. Do we see any sharps or flats in the key signature? If not, we can assume we're in one of 2 keys, C major or A minor. Okay, so we see no sharps and no flats in the key signature. So we can narrow our options down to C or A, major or minor. So the next thing we need to do is look at our starting and ending notes. Do they fit in the key of C major or do they fit in the key of A minor? Our starting notes in the alto line are, yes, C and E. So we've got possibly a do and a mi, or maybe a so and a mi. Our ending note is again C and E. Do we see any accidentals in the line that could prove that we are in a minor key? No, no accidentals. So with the starting and ending pitches of C and E, we can assume that we are in the key of C major. At this time, let's go ahead and do the scale for C major. Everybody get your hand signs ready. They're posted above the board if you need them. Hand signs, here we go. Do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Arpeggio. Do, mi, do, so, do. Let's go ahead and do thirds. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. And back down. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Awesome. Now let's look at our rhythm. First thing we notice in our very first measure is we have eighth notes to start us out. Eighth notes divide our beat into 2, so each eighth note gets half a beat. So the way that first measure will run is counting in 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? Please take notice of your quarter rest. Your quarter rest is 1 beat, and your dotted half note as well. A dotted half note takes the half note and adds half of that value to it. So we have a 3 beat hold on this note here. And we have it again here towards the end of the line. Okay? At this time, let's all be sopranos for the moment, and we are going to speak our rhythm on solfege, just looking at the soprano line. If you have it in your hand, it's this top line. Okay? Get our hand signs ready. I'll count us off. 1, 2, ready, and mi, so, la, so, mi, rest. Re, mi, do, mi, so, rest. La, so, fa, so, la, so, mi, re, mi, off. Great job, everybody. Fairly good. Now let's all be altos for the moment. Our starting solfege for the alto line is do. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, talk. Do, ti, do, mi, do, rest. Ti, do, re, do, ti, 2, 3, rest. Do, mi, fa, sol, la, 2, 3, so, mi, re, do. Wonderful, guys. At this time, I want you to go ahead and vocalize your starting pitch. Do, mi. And we are ready to sing the line. 1, 2, ready, sing. Mi, sol, la, sol, mi. Re, mi, re, do, mi, sol, sol. And la, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, re, mi. Wonderful. Let's do that line again. This time, let's all use our hand signs and see if it helps with our intervals a little bit, okay? One more time. Here's do for the altos and mi for the sopranos. Do, 1, 2, ready, sing. Do, ti, do, mi, do. Rest. Ti, do, re, do, ti, ti. Rest. Do, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do. All right, guys, great job. I'd consider that a job well done. You guys can go ahead and go back and take your seats, and we're going to move on to the next part of our rehearsal. Thank you, guys.